I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code. Install the CHash extension and the CHash dev kit to get language features and templates. Once done, create a project immediately. Open a terminal, run .NET New Console and My App, then open that folder in VS Code. This starts a live editing loop. You get IntelliSense, debugging assets, and launch configs. Make sure to trust the workspace when prompted so extensions can generate necessary files. Next, you solidify the workflow by restoring and building. .NET Restore then .NET Build, so dependencies and compile errors appear early. Configure debugging. Set breakpoints in code, open the run view, and let VS Code create launch. JSON when asked. Once created, customize the program path and console type. You should enable Omni Sharp and Editor. Format on save to keep symbols and formatting consistent. This reduces friction when stepping through code. If IntelliSense lags, restart Omni. Finally, you validate and deploy. Run .NET Run for quick tests and use .NET Test for automated checks. When you're ready to ship, use .NET Publish C Release O/publish to produce distributable files. Make sure to update launch and tasks files if your entry point changes. If something breaks, the common fixes are straightforward. Confirm path points to the installed SDK, verify .NET info shows the expected version, and inspect Omni Sharp logs in the output panel to resolve language server issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.